Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete your Roblox account. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to delete your Roblox account, first of all you need to log into your account, and once you're logged into your account, in the top right corner there is a gear icon, and once you click on the gear icon, a settings page will appear. So once you're on the settings page, you'll not be able to see an option such as delete account or any other alternative in order to delete your account. So what you'll need to do is you need to open up a new tab, and then you need to type in www.roblox.slash. Once you type in the link, on the other interface you'll be directed to the support center. You can see that the username is already over here, and you can also enter in your first name and then your email address for the confirmation. For the confirmation, you'll need to type in twice your email address. So then you'll need to select the device that you're having problem on. So just click on the arrow icon, and then you'll have a list of options. I'm logged in from the PC, so just click on PC, and you'll also need to select the type of help category that you want. So click on the arrow icon, and once again you'll have a list of options. So then you'll need to click on the option that is data privacy request. In case if you don't have this option, then you can either select account hacked or can't log in, or any other option such as technical support. For now I'm gonna go with the data privacy request, and once again you need to be specific. So for that, select the reason such as right to be forgotten or any other option such as other privacy request. And once you've done that, you need to enter in your description of the issue. So you'll need to submit a report to the support team stating that you want to delete your Roblox account, and you'll also need to provide a valid reason for deleting your account. For the additional information, you can even provide your contact information associated with the Roblox account once you're done entering the description. Now, deleting your Roblox account will delete a lot of data that is stored on your Roblox account. You need to be sure that you're deleting your account. Once you delete your account, you'll not be able to recover it. So if you're sure about it, click on submit, which is right at the bottom. You'll be receiving a notification through an email stating that the request has been submitted and your account will be deleted soon. So that is how you can delete your Roblox account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.